In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable check spelling on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone by opening the Settings app. Once I'm in Settings, the next thing I'm going to do is tap on General. I'm just looking through the main Settings menu until I see it, and once I find General, I'll tap there. Now I'm inside the General settings, and from here I need to scroll down until I find Keyboard. It's a little farther down the page, so I'm just moving through the options until I see it. Once Keyboard shows up, I'm going to tap on that. At this point, I'm on the keyboard settings screen, and this is where I can manage different typing options on my iPhone. Now I'm looking for check spelling. I'm just scrolling through the keyboard settings until I find that toggle. Once I see check spelling, I can turn it on or off depending on what I want. If I want to enable check spelling, I'm going to tap the toggle so it turns on. Once the switch is on, that means check spelling is enabled on the iPhone. The setting takes effect right away, so there's nothing else I need to save after that. If I want to disable check spelling instead, I'll tap the same toggle again so it turns off. Once the switch is off, check spelling is disabled. So really, whether you want it on or off, the process is exactly the same. You're just going to the keyboard settings and changing that one toggle. I'll go through the path again while I'm here so it's easy to remember. We opened settings, then tapped on general. After that we scrolled down and opened keyboard, and once we got into the keyboard settings we found check spelling and turned it on or off depending on what we wanted. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time as you move through the menus. The only part that usually takes an extra second is scrolling down to keyboard inside general, but once you're there the rest is very simple. You just find check spelling and tap the switch. So I'm still on the keyboard settings page now, and I can quickly check the toggle before leaving. If the check spelling switch is on, then the feature is enabled. If the switch is off, then it's disabled. That makes it easy to confirm your setting at a glance. There's no extra menu involved after this, and there's no confirmation screen you need to go through. The change happens as soon as you tap the toggle, so once that's done, you're finished. You can simply back out of settings or close the app completely, and your new setting will already be applied. So that's how to enable or disable check spelling on iPhone. Just go to settings, tap on general, scroll down to keyboard, and then turn the check spelling toggle on or off. That's all you need to do, and once you know where the setting is, it only takes a moment to change.